In case y'all didn't know, it is showtime, baby. All right, I hope everybody's having a good time out here for a 4-on-4 flag football tournament.
Now that you've seen the action here at Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football, register your team next year at teamhoops.com. It's showtime, baby.
Make sure to visit our Facebook page, our Twitter page, follow us, like us, where you get all the up-to-date information. We'd like to thank all of the official 4-on-4 flag football sponsors: Zaxby's of Southern Indiana, Cobblestone Hotel right here in Charlestown. I think we had some people staying at Cobblestone today.
We're here at the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football, Southern Indiana pass attack. We have divisions for all ages, male and female. Everybody can come out and have a great time. Now that you've seen the action here at Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football, register your team next year at teamhoops.com. It's showtime, baby.